Welcome to the channel. Venus is a fascinating planet that has many similarities and differences with Earth. Here are some facts about Venus that you might find interesting. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the closest planet to Earth. It orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 108 million kilometers, which is 0.73 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Venus is almost the same size as Earth, with a diameter of about 1,100 kilometers, which is 95% of Earth's diameter. It also has a similar mass and density to Earth, making it a terrestrial planet with a rocky surface and a metallic core. Venus rotates very slowly on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. This means that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus, which takes about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Moreover, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most other planets, including Earth, which means that the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. Venus has a very thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide and nitrogen, with traces of sulfur dioxide, water vapor, and other gases. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is about 92 times that of Earth, which is equivalent to being about 900 meters underwater on Earth. Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect, which means that the heat from the Sun is trapped by the atmosphere and cannot escape. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, with an average surface temperature of about 462 degrees Celsius, which is hot enough to melt lead. Venus is covered by thick clouds of sulfuric acid that reflect most of the sunlight back into space. This makes Venus very bright in the night sky, second only to the moon. Venus is sometimes called the morning star, or the evening star, depending on when it appears near the horizon before or after sunrise or sunset. Venus has an active surface with many volcanoes, mountains, valleys, and craters. Some of the largest volcanoes on Venus are Mont Mons, Sapus Mons, and Sif Mons, which are over 5 kilometers high. The largest crater on Venus is Meade Crater, which is about 280 kilometers in diameter. Venus does not have any natural satellites or rings. It is also not known to have any magnetic field or plate tectonics. The lack of these features may be related to its slow rotation and high temperature. Venus has been explored by several spacecraft since the 1960s. Some of the most notable missions include Mariner 2, Mariner 5, Mariner 10, Pioneer Venus 1, Pioneer Venus 2, Magellan, and Venus Express. The most recent mission to visit Venus was Bepi Colombo, which flew by Venus in October 2020 on its way to Mercury. Thanks for watching.